Hello guys, welcome to getting started with Figma. In this video, I will walk you through the Figma interface, help you get familiar with it, and guide you to know what is where and how things work. So let's get started. At the top here, we have the main menu where you can access plugins, libraries, and a bunch of other things. Here, this is the minimize UI button. This collapses all the panels and give you more canvas size to work with. Beneath the main menu, we have the file title. You can rename this by double clicking on it. Let's change this to Figma 1.1. And with this drop down button, you have other options. Beneath that, we have the file and the asset tab. The asset tab shows you the different libraries and components you can use in your project. Let's go back to file. Beneath the tabs, we have the pages. Currently, we have just one page, page 1. You can rename this by double clicking on it. Let's change this to intro. And of course, you can add a new page by clicking on this plus button here, page 2. So let's go back to our intro page. Beneath the intro page, you have the layers panel. The layers panel display an hierarchical list of all the elements you have on your canvas. This is your canvas. Currently, we have this welcome frame on our canvas. This is it right here in our layers panel. You can expand the welcome frame by clicking on this arrow at this left hand side. So here we have every element inside this frame. Here we have the welcome to Figma, which is this. We have all the other rectangles, which are these. Down here we have the toolbars. This comprises different tools that you'll be using for your design projects. And here we have what I call the mode switcher. Currently we are on design. We can switch to draw, which give you a variety of other tools you can use to draw. And of course we have the dev mode, which is mainly for developers. Let's switch back to design. At the top here, we have two tabs, design and prototype. We will explore prototype in details in another video. For this video, let's focus on design. Under these two tabs, we have the properties panel. And what is displayed on the properties panel? It's a function of what is selected on your canvas. If I select this frame, this welcome frame, this is what I see on my properties panel. And if I select welcome to Figma, this is what I see. I see layout, appearance, typography. Because this is a test, so I can change the font, I can change the width of the font, and I can change the text size and also the fill. If I select this orange rectangle, I have the layout, which is the width and height, the appearance and the fill. I can add stroke and I can add other effects as well. And of course, we have exports. We can export any elements we want to export on our canvas. And at the top here, you have the profile icon of individuals that are currently or actively working on this file. Currently, I'm the only one. That's why it's just my picture you can see. If there's somebody else working on the same file, you are going to see their profile icon here. And we have the present button here in case you need to present or to view what you are designing in a presentation mode. And also we have the share button. So guys, that's the long and short of the Figma interface. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.